Hi guys, welcome to another installment of Local DB Tutor. Today I'm gonna take you guys through installing a good infrastructure for a standalone server. First thing I'll do is I will basically take you guys through. I'm gonna show you guys how to partition your disk. I went to start menu, and I'm gonna click on disk management. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create 3 disks, and they're each gonna be about 56,000 megabytes. And I'm only gonna have one disk group. So what I'll do is okay, this on, format. I'm gonna create 3 of these. New volume. Next, do not assign. Do not format. And then the last one. New volume. Not format. Okay, so these are the 3 disks that I'll be using. What I'll do for now is I'm gonna minimize this window, and what I'll do now is I'll bring up my I'll go to my software home. So I have it in my D drive, and then I'm gonna install the good infrastructure for 11GR2, and click on that. Before I do that, I'm gonna open up my File Explorer, put it on the side, come back to this window, double click on setup, click on yes. The reason why I have this window open is I want to see where I'll be installing my software. So I'm gonna let this the Oracle Universal Installer get set up. Okay, yes, I want to continue. Basically, it's just a warning. Click on yes. And then what you do here is you actually want to install on the software only. Click on next. Language, next. It's on my C drive, so let me just make sure. So C should be the name. Click on next, and then I'm gonna save it by clicking on. I'm gonna submit it by clicking on finish. And then what I'll do for now is I'll pause it, and I'll come back. I'll pick it up when the installation is complete. Okay guys, so the software is the Grand Infrastructure software only is complete. What I'll do now is I just need to get the confirmation screen for it. There you go. So what I'll do is this is a command that I need to run in my command prompt. I'll copy this. I'll close this page. I'll go to my, there you go, command prompt. I'll be using the admin one. I'm gonna run that command. Okay, while that's going on, what I'll do is I need to look at my services. So Okay, there you go. As you guys just saw, what happened is that that command actually installed these two services. Actually, let me make sure. Let me start this one just to see. There you go. Install the void service. What I'll do is for now I'll just minimize this page. I'll go to my home. I go to my software home. This is it. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna cd into this directory. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna configure my automatic storage management. I'm gonna invoke the automatic storage management configuration assistant by using the asmca command. So, okay, what do I need? Okay, I have asmca defined. There you go. So here I'm just gonna put my password. Again, the thing about having going to this configuration screen is basically Oracle wants you to have different password for the different users. One for the sys user and the other one for just the ASM instance user. So I will specify the disk. And as I showed you guys early on, I created 3 disks. Let me get this window. 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna be my disk group. So I'll actually, before I do that, I will stamp disk. I'll click on next. I have these 3 candidates. I want to click on the first one, hold the control button down. Click on the last 2 ones, and I'm gonna call this set. Okay. Hit next. Okay. Next. Finish. And I should have them right here. Select them. I'm gonna name this disk group 1, and I'll click on OK. And then what I'll do is I'll hit create ASM. And also, one of the things that I should have mentioned to you guys early on is that basically like Oracle has like, I think I might have told you guys this already, but like the ASM instance, like the configuration for ASM are actually part of the grid infrastructure package. And if you don't install the grid infrastructure and you only have the Oracle software on your computer, you can only use the regular file system. So that's what I'm going to this just to set up my grid infrastructure, so I have ASM. Okay. There you go. Oh man. Okay. So okay, I'm really excited right now. The reason why is basically usually I get this configuration HA error. We're basically one of the processes, this CSSD process is not being, it doesn't want, you know, it's not being installed. So now this was successful. So I'm just gonna click on OK, and there you go. I have myself a disk group now, and it's already mounted. So just to make sure, what I'll do is that basically this is all set up. What I'll do now is I'll exit. Yes. I will go into my file system and actually, you know what? First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my services and then refresh. ASM is up and running. come to my command prompt. I'm gonna issue the command or set oracle underscore SID equals plus ASM, and I'm gonna issue the command is SQL plus slash sys ASM. Oh, and also this is one of the things that I actually told you guys. So now you can't log in as a sysdba anymore for ASM. You have to log in as sysASM. So if I was to try it as sysdba, like I can log in, but I can't select my disk group underscore disk group. Where am I? Okay. Okay, I guess I might have misspoken there. Let me try it again. I know there's something you can do with the oh, they have the same. I think the reason is they might have the same password, but yeah, okay. But from the research that I did, you can log in as a sysASM is basically is the way that you're supposed to manage your ASM instead of opposed to the sysdba, which is for the regular Oracle software. So I'm just gonna go back to host. What I'll do is this page, I'm done. I'm done here. So what do I need to do next? Okay. This is up and running. What I'll do now is I will go to my there you go. So now I'm gonna install my Oracle software. What I'll do is I'm gonna go to my go to this location, go to my 11gr2 installation location. Wherever your installation is, just go to that. Click on setup. Yes. Again, go. Just make sure that you have a directory that you're comfortable with. Well, let me look at this thing again, because I know SQL plus DBA. There you go. You see what I meant? So basically, you're not in control of the ASM instance when you log in as a sysdba. It's gonna give you the insufficient privilege error. But if you go back, I went back and you log in as sysASM. You should start a command. So it shows you that it's already started. So that's the difference. You can't start up an instance with sysdba. So do you want to continue? Yes. So I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pause, and I'm gonna come back when I have my when I'm able to basically go take you guys to the configuring your local software.